Hello everyone, I'm Jashandeep, and welcome to my AI Builder journey. In week 1, I focused on researching AI agents, also known as MCP servers, understanding their real-world applications, and analyzing platforms for data workflows. Today, I'll take you through my findings, platform comparisons, cost analysis, development setup, and professional recommendations. By the end, you'll see how MCP servers can streamline AI-powered data workflows and save valuable time. First, let's define what MCP servers are. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. These servers solve the NXM problem, which is the challenge of connecting multiple AI tools to multiple data sources. Traditionally, each AI tool interaction required custom coding, which was inefficient and error-prone. MCP servers act as standardized bridges, providing secure two-way connections, real-time data access, and standardized protocols. This means an AI agent can now directly query spreadsheets, databases, or cloud services without complicated scripts or manual copy-paste workflows. After extensive research, I identified the top 10 MCP servers suitable for data analysis. These tools cover everything from local learning environments to enterprise cloud solutions, making them versatile for multiple professional scenarios. Let's dive deeper into a few key MCP servers. Google Sheets MCP allows direct access to spreadsheets without downloading files. It's perfect for automated reporting, dashboards, and collaborative business analysis. PostgreSQL MCP Pro supports natural language queries, complex SQL joins, and database performance monitoring. For example, it can automatically extract top customers by revenue or generate advanced reports. dbt MCP automates ETL workflows, testing, and data transformation, reducing manual errors. File System MCP is perfect for local file operations and rapid prototyping, providing a lightweight starting point for AI workflows. Next, let's compare the platforms that support these MCP servers. Claude Desktop offers native MCP connectors, minimal setup, and is ideal for business users who want immediate value. ChatGPT Developer Mode is flexible and supports custom MCP integrations, allowing developers to use natural language to query data across multiple sources. VS Code with GitHub Copilot is focused on coding workflows and less optimized for direct data analysis. Self-hosted MCP servers provide full control and enterprise-grade security but require more technical expertise to maintain. Recommendations by user type are: students use Claude Desktop Free, professionals use Claude Pro, developers use ChatGPT or VS Code, and enterprises should consider self-hosted MCP servers with proper security review. MCP servers also transform common data workflows. For sales analysis, Google Sheets MCP enables direct dashboard creation from live spreadsheets, saving significant manual effort. PostgreSQL MCP Pro or SQL Alchemy MCP allows natural language database queries, eliminating manual SQL writing. BigQuery MCP and Snowflake MCP handle large datasets in the cloud efficiently. File System MCP and Google Sheets Database Sync automate local and hybrid workflows, such as content audits and reporting. Overall, MCP servers save time, reduce errors, and provide real-time access to critical data. Now, let's discuss pricing. Claude Desktop Pro costs $20 per month. ChatGPT Developer Mode typically costs $25 to $50 depending on usage. GitHub Copilot ranges from $10 to $39, and self-hosted MCP servers can cost $50 to $200 or more. Enterprise solutions justify higher costs with scalability, automation, and security. Let me also briefly share my development environment setup for week 1. I installed Claude Desktop and VS Code Insiders, enabling me to explore AI-driven workflows efficiently. I connected several MCP servers, including Neon, Playwright, and GitHub, which allowed me to test integrations across databases, web scraping, and repository analysis. This setup provided hands-on experience with multiple MCP workflows, helping me understand their capabilities, limitations, and practical applications. Based on my research, my top 5 recommended MCP servers are Google Sheets MCP, PostgreSQL MCP Pro, dbt MCP, Snowflake MCP, and FileSystem MCP. Google Sheets MCP provides universal business value with immediate results. PostgreSQL MCP Pro is ideal for developers and data teams, saving time on database queries. dbt MCP automates transformation workflows efficiently. Snowflake MCP is suited for enterprise-scale cloud analytics, and FileSystem MCP is simple yet versatile for prototyping or local workflows. Future trends include more industry-specific MCP servers, enhanced security frameworks, AI-powered workflow recommendations, and enterprise-grade compliance tools. Finally, looking ahead to Week 2, I will focus on building the foundations of RAG systems. I'll implement my first local RAG system using Chroma DB and Ollama through the Food RAG application. My learning objectives include mastering vector embeddings, semantic search, and building a functional user interface. This will allow AI agents to interact with structured knowledge in real time and open new possibilities for AI-driven decision-making.